so cool. There's different waves in the road. Is this the Amazon River?
It has rained a lot. I think we must have had close to 50 mils. Today is going to be quite entertaining. Moisture content is wet. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oi! Steven, come here, you asshole. Ja, ist das sehr weit. Mimi cha inja.
Oh, big sand.
Fresh.
It's been standing for a while. Just lube up those clutch plates a bit. You want to see some real speed? Okay. This section here is notorious for Incomos just coming out of the bushes. Imagine you just going fast AF and then all of a sudden Incomo. At least you'll get nice speed. You might have no arms, but it'll be pretty sick. Hey! Oh, okay. No, we're going a bit too hot. No, also right. Just going with it. Going behind a two-stroke was the worst idea. Yes, as if I have COVID, just two strokes definitely gonna fix it. Rich, why do you go so? You're so brave, dude. Nah! I go.
Answer your question.
The FX could probably cross. Meh. Don't mind me. It's amateur hour. Oh, I'm so tired and humid and hot and sweaty and unwell. many slippery rocks. If you guys come to Rock Rabbit, check my hat. Oh, these guys are leaving. Oh! I'm gonna go up. A lot of effort there. Alright, really hope you guys enjoyed today. New year, new video. Got quite a few things planned out for this year. I'm going to try to put a bit more effort in old YouTube, try and post a video once a week, as well as I'm going to try and have merchandise up and running and selling sometime soon in the next few months or so. But yeah, really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to hit the young subscribe button, and then until next time.